Hello everyone and welcome to Distillique's training area. Today we're going to be discussing our fruit wine kit. Now this kit provides all the equipment and consumables needed to make at least 20 liters of fruit wine. Now along with your fruit wine making kit you'll get an instruction manual which gives you all the steps, recipes and some tips when it comes to home wine making. Now in your kit you'll find a 5-liter fermentation bottle along with your fermentation lock and bung. Now with this you'll get your pectolase mix. This is an enzyme used to break down the solids of the fruit in order to release more juice, which increases your yield. You need something to start your fermentation with, and that's why you're going to be using your yeast. Yeast converts sugar into alcohol and giving you your wine. Along with this you're going to be using your yeast nutrients. This serves as a food source in order to ensure a healthy and proper fermentation. Now, once you're almost done with fermentation, you have to separate the fruit solids from the wine. That's why you're going to be using this cloth. Afterwards, you're going to continue with fermentation until it's completely dry, and you'll see a yeast sediment layer forming at the bottom of your fermentation bottle. Now you're going to have to rack your wine from this yeast sediment using your siphoning tube. Okay, now once you've completed fermentation, you have to stabilize and sterilize your wine. This is in order to keep the shelf life for much longer, using your sodium metabisulfite and potassium sorbate. Okay. Now afterwards, you're going to have to adjust the flavor of your wine. This can be done by adding acid. We're going to be adding an acid mix into your wine, along with some pH strips that can be used as a guide to see how much acid you should use. Now, if your wine is lacking some structure, you probably have a need for some tannin. Tannin increases the structure of your wine. This is added in very low amounts or according to taste. Now, if you like a wooded wine, you can use our French oak chips. You only need a small amount. You can age it for a month, 2 months, 3 months, or until you're happy with the oaking process. Now, then you have to bottle your wine. Unfortunately, we do not provide wine bottles with the starter kit, but we do, however, provide you with some reusable corks and some wine capsules. So this was our wine kit. For more information, contact us at sales@distillique.co.za.